Go away.
Hey, I'm Shane.
I'm James.
And this is That Dude's Garage. And this is part of an exhaust kit.
And this is an oil filter relocation kit. We're going to try and get them in this thing today, and hopefully it works out. We'll see.
Let's see if we can accomplish something today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. We appreciate it. Let's get to work.
Yay.
It's cold in here.
Stop complaining. Get to work.
I own the shop. I can complain all I want. Okay, so we're going to get started on the We're going to get started on the oil filter housing. One thing we noticed right out of the kit is that the fitting, when it's threaded in, contacts the housing. So we're going to take a little bit off the housing to get these to thread in real nice, so we were not arguing with it or causing damage or anything to the fittings. And then you can see there's multiple ports here. The kit came with plugs, so that way if you want to run the barbed ends out here, you can, or you can run them out the top and plug here. And then inside here is where the thread adapter goes for the car side of it. So I'm going to get to work on that. And James is going to start getting everything adapted into here and sealed with the thread for the oil filter here. And then eventually once the car comes back down, we'll mount this up in the car. We just had a parts run go out for lines because the kit didn't come with lines, so be aware of that. But we should be able to get this going pretty quick, and then we'll get on to exhaust. I apologize in advance for the noise in the shop. It's cold in here, and we can't not be in here without the heater running. So you don't want to see any of the material. Okay, so I'll just put that there. I got it now. So that threads in nice and easy and doesn't contact the housing. And we're good to go on that. Okay, so we got the plugs ready. We're going to seal those. I got the housing clearanced so we can get the lines in there. We're going to seal those. I just threw the adapter inside here to see if it fits the adapter in the car. So we're going to do that now. If it fits, hopefully we'll get it to face in the right direction and we'll be good to go.
these are aluminum housings, right? I'm assuming. So yeah, I snugged this down pretty good, but I didn't want to snug it down too much to where it would strip it out.
Is the camera still running?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Action.
All right, so we're sealing the plugs.
So how do you know how much pipe dope to put on a plug?
Should not be able to see the threads, because when you put it in, you want everything to like kind of bunch up at the top and create a seal around it. Just like that. Plugs are in. All right, let's try this again. Now that my hands are covered in assembly lube and pipe dope. What? I paused. I'm recording.
Oh, you are recording? Okay, never mind.
The ultimate goal is to get this thing to fit facing forward. Just for the ease of taking everything on or off of it. Of course, I can't get tools in there. Alright, so it's in. Now I'm going to put the fittings back in, and then we can get ready for the lines.
Is there any way to clock?
Yeah. You want to know the reason why I don't throw tools away? Because I can cut them apart to make the tool I need.
I don't think you got the addition. Oh, finally got my mic back on. What the heck is going on over here? Shane. Shane, did you just cut your wrench?
Yeah, I needed it to be shorter.
But they sell shorter wrenches.
Yeah, but then I have to go there and get it. I can just do it now.
Okay.
Wow, so much more convenient when it's the right length. Okay, so my little short wrench adapter thing actually was way convenient. I almost think I'm gonna go to that box of wrenches over there, right there. Just make a bunch of short wrenches.
I didn't see you there. So what I'm doing is, instead of using these old rusty seat bolt mounts that are welded to the frame, I'm going to drill them out because I got new hardware that I could stick in there. It's going to be a lot stronger and a lot safer because I don't want to be flying out of this thing when it's got 300 horsepower. Maybe not 300 horsepower, but that's what I'm doing. You want me to hold that? Oh, big man. It's my baby hands. You want to clean that one off first too, or no?
Zip this bracket off here, put it in place.
Okay.
No, not with the wrench.
Oh.
James.
Dang it. All right, so we've moved over to the bench so that way I can hold this and whack it. I'm left-handed though, so I'm always goofy.
Hey, settle down. Take it easy. What the scallop? I'm a goofy goober!
Perfect. It'll stop going down at some point. Maybe not. Maybe I got to readjust this. With the new technique, we don't need tools. Okay. I got it. Dang it.
These were pressed in there, so I'm going to take them and weld them back onto the plate so we don't have to use a wrench to hold them when we put it back in the car. Helps if I turn the welder on. There's 2 new studs and brackets.
Installed today. We shall see. These are warm. Oh no. Which side went where? Wrong side. Went on this side? Yes. Yes. Believe it went like that. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Alright, that's that for now, and we'll get that in a little bit. Let's go see what Shane's doing. He's over that way. Let's go take a look.
Nowhere near fit.
Camera guy, come on. Come on. Loud noises. Little ASMR, or the opposite of ASMR. Let's give a listen. Oh, almost. Here we go. Shane with the drill.
I'm sure nobody really wants to hear that.
Probably not.
Interrupt this program for moment.
All right, so as you can see, we have a decent amount of the passenger side exhaust on, and we've had to get creative, very creative, because nothing would fit through here. So we're going to use the flexible exhaust for now until we can maybe later on, very in the future, buy headers that actually fit this engine and this car, which is not easy to find.
And all of what we did previously means nothing.
Yep. 2 steps forward, 5 steps back. That one's his. Oh, come on. There we go.
I have to try to unweld everything I welded. This is going to be fun.
All right. While Shane's cutting that, we're just over here clamping up this second half of this exhaust right here. So in the future, I have mufflers that got delivered at my place today. They're going to go right about here. And then we're either going to dump down, dump out, or actually try and finish the exhaust all the way back. We're not sure yet. It's just been a pain trying to get this exhaust done. I don't recommend going for unique cars that have only been made for 1 or 2 years in a certain body style, because it's very treacherous trying to find parts that fit. All right. And that is some of it exhaust.
Cool.
All right, so I'm here going to be cutting some of the tubing for the oil filter relocation kit. And I'm just going to cut it right in half because, well, we got to use half of it for the in, half of it for the out, and then we'll trim it up as we need to. Fun. Those clamps. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this from down here. I really wish there was a hole right here, but there's no hole right here. Because this is going to be a pain. All right. Let's see here. Okay, no, maybe it's not going to be that bad because I can see it. Good thing about an all steel body car is that you can put the light anywhere. Pretty much works.
So here we got all most of these off put in, so we're gonna work with the nail. Actually, probably at the end now. But we have the majority of the system back here. It's all tied in. So now we're going to drop the car down, throw the battery back in it, and try to work on the timing. And it won't sound as obnoxious, because at least it has some noise to the back now.
He's walking.
Camera guy wanted to get involved.
I'm not entirely sure he knows what he's doing.
Do you have a center punch?
Yeah.
Where?
One of the drawers.
Oh. Are you still filming? Where's the center punch?
Here we have the cameraman in his natural environment. Actually, it's not his natural environment, that's why he doesn't know where the tools are. You can find them wandering around the shop often, clueless,
Lost.
and alone. Here we have a wild cameraman. I'm gonna try and touch him.
Don't try to touch me right now.
Oh, he's got a hammer!
How do you stop worrying about the fact I'm recording you? Just do what you're told you to do.
That's why we never let you help.
That's why you just hold the camera.
We do the Jeopardy theme song, but we don't have the rights to that.
A few moments later.
Go away.
A few moments later.
Doesn't help when I'm trying to drill on a curve. Hey! I want to deburr the hole.
And what's your language? This is a kid's show.
Is it?
If you make them nervous in the shop, they're more reliable out in real life. This girl, if it's not in straight, it's gonna go woo 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 woo.
All right, so Nate drilled the holes. Now we're mounting the external oil cooler. Not cooler, reservoir.
Cut hoses to length, run hose from engine adapter outlet to inlet on remote air inlet filter. So it's outlet to the engine to inlet on the filter, and then other way. Caution. Pay attention to the in and out of the remote oil filter adapter in order to assure proper oil flow. Many filters have anti-drain back features, only flow in one direction. So it's out of there, into here, out of here, into there.
So it should be
This should be the
out to in.
out to in, out to in.
Okay.
It doesn't tell me which hose this is.
That's this one.
Okay.
It's going to the end.
All right. Out to in, out to in. Okay.
That's closest to the front of the wall.
Yeah. Oh man, drilled a hole.
No. Nate, come stand over here so I see it where we can on the bottom. No. Any oil coming out of that?
Not leaking.
Perfect. We'll just keep an eye on it.
Keep an eye on it.
Here we go.
Wish we had more fuel. Probably should backfeed that pump.
Yeah, our carburetor's.
All right, so that's it for the day. We did accomplish something today. We got the oil filter relocation kit in. The exhaust is all the way back to the point where we need the mufflers. They're currently sitting in this driveway. So that'll be on the next time we get on the car.
I got the driver's seat in, so now I got a place to sit, which is pretty cool. Yep, again, like Shane said, mufflers are coming in, or they're already in, they're in the driveway. Yep.
And on the next episode, we'll get to throwing a timing light at this, getting it idle. The tank is out of fuel because it drained mostly on the floor. So we have to get more fuel in the tank to get fuel up to the engine.
Yep, so that means we actually put in fuel lines today also. Forgot about that.
Because they were leaking. Other than that,
It's going pretty good.
yeah, we moved forward today and actually got a lot of work done. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Shane,
I'm James.
and this is That Dude's Garage. Keep those wrenches turning.